Yeah, so guys, sorry for that. It was a phone call, very important, but anyway, we are done with it. So guys, you can see we have veggies, and you can see how green this place is. Yeah, so we also have village grandma's hardware over there, village grandma and village grandpa, and that is where we live, guys. And this is the place that my big brother is going to tell you the story about that, because me, I think I was very young, but now, guys, we have our big brother and we have a story. This is a documentary. I can tell you for free, this will be a documentary, because the things you don't know here, he knows. The things you have never known about this place, like these families around here, he knows. Yeah, and you guys don't want to miss this. You want to kindly watch this video till the end, because what we're going to talk and do, this is the first episode of this documentary. Yeah, so guys, we're right from here, and the rain now is gone off, guys, when we are trying to do. Yeah, but anyway, we never know. Yeah, maybe we can go there, but anyway, guys, we're here at my friend's place, so we want to talk to my elder brother here. Elder brother, maybe you can talk outside here so that you can see him well. I think from here. Yes.
Let me see your people, man. Let me see your people. Hey, how you guys doing? Huh? Oh, that's a better view?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, how you guys doing? Okay, this is my little brother.
Yeah, I can help you with the camera.
Okay, so you hold it, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, this is my little brother, right? Huh? Is a cool dude, man. Cool dude, and he's doing a lot here, man. As he's already shown you guys, show them. And he's showing you guys, you know, there's a lot of agriculture going on, but it's not just that. It's not just that. Huh? This guy, he's done so much out here, and I'm so proud of him. Anyway, my name's Leo, and he's my little brother, little cousin. You know, I have mad respect for him, and I'm gonna give you a little bit of background. Like it's a background before we go into the present, then we're gonna go into the future. As you say, this is a documentary. So anyway, come show them here. Come show them here. So this whole area here, you have the two towers. That was our uncle. That's our uncle. That's our uncle. And this whole place, they're doing agriculture. They've done yams and everything. And the thing about it is this: I want you guys to understand that what this young man is doing big things. Yes or no?
Yeah, true.
He doesn't care about himself. He cares about the old women here, the women here that basically need to get their life in order. And I'm here to support him. This is my dude. So right now, what they've done here is not just for them. They've done it for the community. They've done it for the community. Now, my uncle, they're the ones who developed this whole area. They're the ones who developed this area. And when the work has not stopped, because he has taken the mantle, he wants to take it to another level. Huh? Yes or no, my nigga?
Yeah, true.
He wants to take it to another level. He's gonna take it to another level, and in another 2-3 years, it's gonna be completely different.
Sawa. Yeah.
Are you on the phone?
Yeah. You can just talk. Yeah.
You sure? Because right now I Don't be on the phone when I'm on this thing.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, sorry, bro.
Nah, it's all good. Anyway, just a little background, not just for him, but for here. Your subscribers, you know the content that he's bringing out. It's all positive, but he's also showing you that things that are positively happening here. This young man is a very positive person. Yeah? He's very positive, and the thing is, he doesn't care about himself. And look, I'm selfish. A lot of times I care about myself. You know, I'll actually put myself in front of everybody else. But he doesn't do that. And a lot of times I've come to him and say, like, yo, just be selfish, think about yourself. But you know what? He says no. He has to put other people ahead. He makes sure that the community is fine. And what he said reminds me of Nietzsche. And for you guys who know Nietzsche is, what he said is this: once you make everyone around you better, you're going to be the best. And that's his philosophy. Not the best that is going to be better than them, but he's gonna feel the best because he knows he did something positive and something better for you. Look at how beautiful this place is. It's raining right now, and unfortunately we couldn't walk around and show you guys, but this place is very beautiful, and I just want you guys to support him in just not just as subscribers, but even just looking at his channel, viewing his channel. So just support him, listen to what he has to say, because what he's doing, he's trying to change the world. But you know, you have to change the world 1 mile at a time, 1 kilometer at a time. He might not change the whole world right now, but he might change a community. Next time he's gonna change a city. Next time he's gonna change a country. This is my brother, my cousin, my little brother. I love him to death, and you guys need to love him more, because as I said, I'm supposed to be the one to teach him or to tell him, like, yo, do this, but he's like, no. He's like, no, bro, let me be the person for the people here. I don't care about myself. Once they're okay, then I'll be okay. And I'm like, okay, this dude, he has a point, and he's changed me. Instead of me changing him, he's changed me, because I was selfish. Thank you, bro. Thank you. But anyway,
Can say a word
show them
about
how beautiful this place is.
Yeah,
Huh?
of course, guys.
Huh?
This place, yeah, look at this place from this point, guys.
And
It is
all the work
raining.
the work you have done and your family has done. Show
Yeah.
them everywhere.
Yeah, so guys, this is how it is. Like, that is our
That's a building.
that is
Another building.
our
That's our grandma's house.
yes, exactly, over there, guys. And we wanted to go there today, but because of rain we didn't make it. Yeah, and this is it from here also, as I showed you. Yeah, yams, people are working hard. And this guy, guys, we are going to get a story from him, a very good story, and a story that you guys will really, I don't know what to say, but you guys will really love this
You're
story.
gonna love the story, because
Yeah.
not just about him. Tomorrow you're going to interview me.
Yeah,
Actually, I lived in the US. I used to
Yeah.
live in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, but I'm back here.
Yeah.
Tomorrow we're gonna tell you why I decided to live here than to stay in the US. And I had a good job. I'm a nuclear engineer. So basically I had a good career there.
imagine, nuclear engineer.
But there was something about just coming back here and being with the people, people that need you. It's not about like a good career. It's about people that need you. But they don't need me like directly. It's the little things that you do indirectly that matters, because it will change the life of a woman. It will change the life of a child. It will even change the life of a man. And that's why I'm here. And we're going forward. Going forward, we're still going to keep on this track. Right, bro?
Yeah, right.
Now you
So
talk to
guys,
them.
if you don't know, my brother here is my bigger cousin. Yeah, and a good friend also in our family. I really respect him, and I really love you, brother.
I love you too, bro.
Yeah. So, if you want to know the story
Support him
of a story of
tomorrow.
Leo, it's tomorrow, but today
Yeah.
get to know the story today.
And we'll show them the things that we're doing.
Yeah, exactly. So
And
guys,
we need your support, though.
yeah, so much. Yeah, so guys, let's go and get a small story, a very small story of my big brother from USA migrating, not migrating,
Coming back home.
coming back home, coming back to Nairobi, coming back to the village, this village. So guys, keep on tuned. We're going to get you that small story.
It's gonna be exciting.
Yeah. So keep up and get to know why.
Let's go
Why?
Steelers. Let's go Steelers, man.
Yeah.
You guys lost, man. Steelers, you're messing me up. But you know what? That's not important. What's important is the people here.
Yeah.
Those are my Steelers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Exactly. So we are going to get that story today, and small story, as I told you, a very small story of him. And we have episodes, and this it is an what do you, we said it's not an episode, but it's an
It's like a documentary.
yeah.
But the thing is, we want to show you that, you know what? My cousin is doing a lot of good things out here. And because of that, I'm also part and parcel of what he's doing. We want to make a difference in people's lives.
Yeah, for sure.
And please, we need your support. Not just, we don't want support. We just want, like, subscribe to his channel, comments, just show him the love. And also, we need your ideas. We need your
Yeah, for
ideas.
sure,
Like,
yeah.
okay, maybe we can do something that we're doing. You might have a better idea, and that's the good thing about this. We are all together in this.
Yeah, for sure.
Anyway, bro, talk to your people. Subscribe to his channel.
Yeah.
We need 50,000 subscribers.
Yeah, for sure. So guys, we're going to talk about a lot of things. This is episode 1 of documentary. This is a documentary of my cousin. He has been on the US. He has been doing a lot of things, and back in Kenya, he was also living in Nairobi. He was also living in
Pittsburgh.
Oh wow. So we'll get to know about that, because my pronunciation, because I don't know. But anyway guys, we'll get to know all of that in a bit. So guys, I want to say, let me see some. So guys, as I told you, this is my big brother, and this is a documentary that we have started, and there's something you need to know from my cousin. So it's a very big and a very huge story from him. So guys, the reason why I did this video is for you to know, like, life is
a boomerang.
a
boomerang. What you throw at it, it comes back. So you throw good, it comes back good. You throw bad, it comes back bad. That's what it is.
So guys, what you wanted to know from my my cousin here is like he is lived in the US for how many years?
19 years. And I'm a U.S. citizen, but I'm here right now.
Yeah.
Yes.
And
I'm here. I'm doing business. I'm doing farming. But I'm not here to say that this is better than the U.S. or the U.S. is better than here. But I'm here to show that there's alternatives.
yeah.
I chose to come here because I got an opportunity to come and do some farming and to come and do some business here. And that's what I'm doing. So we're doing some energy here. We're supplying the villages with solar power and things like that. So we really welcome you. We need all the support we can, morally, psychologically, because we know what we're doing is good. We're changing people's lives. There are people here right now that have never seen electricity their whole life.
Yeah.
And we want to change that.
Yeah.
Huh? Maybe the next Einstein is from here.
Yeah. So you think solar is better than maybe the
Electricity. I don't think it's better. I just think it's more environmentally friendly because this is green energy. You know, electricity a lot of times. Okay, in Kenya, most of the electricity we get it from geothermal, which is fine. But a lot of countries they get it from like coal, coal plants or whatever. So I think for me the only two things that are really clean for the environment is solar, maybe wind power. Although wind power, it takes a lot of it takes a lot of space. You know what I mean? The fingerprint is too much. So for me, coming from a nuclear background, I think nuclear energy is the way to go. But after nuclear, we can go solar.
Yeah.
And it's right. And a lot of people, and listen, a lot of people might be like, okay, but how is it gonna benefit? Look, there are people here. Show them the lights there.
Yeah.
Huh?
Over there,
That
have
is
a lot
solar.
of lights.
That is solar.
Yeah.
That is solar. Most of these people cannot afford even if there was electricity, they cannot afford the bills. But with the solar, they're able to do it. And that's the thing I like about you, because you know what you're doing? You're making changes in the community. Give me 5. You're making changes in the community,
Yeah, thank
okay?
you, brother.
And I want you to continue like that, because this is your time. Huh? I'm a little bit old, but you can see my hair, but he's doing his thing.
Yeah.
He's doing his thing.
Yes.
Huh? Talk to them.
Yeah. So guys, this is my brother, and we have his story from
But that's
come here,
the-
brother. Don't go. Yeah.
That's just a brief. Now from
Yeah.
tomorrow we're gonna now go into details, my past in the US, what
Yeah.
I did, what made me come here, and then we're gonna go into what our plan is going forward into the future.
Yeah.
And the future is not 1 week, 2 weeks. We're talking about maybe the next 5, 10 years. Huh? With him. This guy has a vision. But we're going to talk about what, and I'm mentoring him, and I want to, and I've seen what he wants to do, and he's on the right path.
Yeah. And of course, there's is really trying to tell me like he doesn't want to do like what he did.
The mistakes that
yeah.
I did in the past
Yeah.
cannot be repeated by my brothers who are younger than me. I paid the price so that they don't have to do it. And that's what I've been saying to you.
Yeah. Yeah.
I don't want you to pay the price the same way that I did.
Yeah.
So I paid the price so that you guys don't have to. But you better listen to me, bro. You gonna listen to me?
I listen to you.
No, you're not gonna. I know you're not gonna listen to me.
I'm gonna listen to you.
Your
Yeah.
people are gonna tell you to listen to me.
Yeah.
I don't want you to go through the mistakes that I did, man. All right, bro.
Yeah. And guys, before he goes, I really want to tell you this guy was really great, and I really appreciate what he was doing to the community, not even outside there.
And we're still gonna continue.
Yeah,
doing what
to
we
the
can.
community, this guy was the best. And the story that you want to give out here guys, you don't want to miss. The story is very big. The story is a untold story for my brother here.
It's my life, but it's gonna feel like it's a movie.
Yeah, it's a movie, guys.
You know what I mean?
It's a movie. It's a movie coming.
I messed up,
because
but I got myself right,
yeah.
and that's all it is. And I want him to do the same, but I don't want him to mess up. I want him to do right.
Yeah.
Huh?
He really came out from America, that is USA. Yeah. From USA, he was in the USA. He came back home. He was in Nairobi.
I live in Nairobi.
Yeah.
But this is home also. My dad comes from here, but this is like my village. But I don't consider it a village. I consider it home. Actually, I love it here more than the city. So tomorrow or the next episode, you guys and we're gonna. Today it's a little bit cloudy. It's dark.
Yeah.
We're gonna go and it's gonna be bright. We're gonna show you things that we're doing. My nigga here is doing his thing.
Yeah. So guys,
All right.
this.
Adios, amigos.
Oh. So guys, that is my cousin. That is a really cousin of mine, first cousin, and we are coming from this place where you can see everywhere in this village. Everywhere is looking good, and that is my cousin. This is first episode of our documentary. Of course, me with you, my viewers, and people who are supporting me. And wow, it's cold, and I didn't come with my jacket, and I don't know why. I came out in the morning. It was like, but anyway, guys, this is the first documentary of my cousin, and he was in the US. He lived there, came back home to Nairobi. Lived in Nairobi, and also back home, trying to see what he can do here also. I really appreciate him. But guys, keep on tuned, because we have a lot of things to show you, to tell you, a story to tell you of my cousin, because he has a lot of books. I can say books, a lot of books to get a story for you guys, because I really knew him of like a person who had a lot, and so you guys keep on tuned. We have a lot of stories. This is the first documentary that we are doing of this guy, and I really believe he's not a small guy, a very big guy. I can say, I don't lie, I can say he's a very big guy. He was a very big guy, but right now he's here at home, and but I cannot also say that he's down. He's always there to people, helping. If you have any problem, he's there for you. Advice is there for you. So this, guys, this is the first documentary that I'm going to show you from this good guy that is called I don't want to mention that name before we finish this documentary. So tomorrow we'll have another documentary. Of course, today we had a plan, but right now it's really raining. You never know when it's raining. So you can see even the weather right now. It's raining. So we have to go also there. That is my mother's home over there, guys. But it's a story that you guys should keep on watching and get to know how it started from there, going to this big brother of mine, and everything. As I said, it's now a documentary that I want to show you. We don't want to go out, guys. I'm shivering. you can see. So, and yeah, I will just show you what is going on around this good village, and the village that we want to transform. So tomorrow, guys, don't miss a video that will be very, very, very good, very genuine, talking to my brother here who was living in the US, then came back to Nairobi, then came back to this amazing village, Nyabohanse, guys. Nyabohanse to the world. And I want to say, be positive and be genuine. Tell someone that you are wrong, and I have evidence of what you're talking about. So guys, I want to say until our next video, support everyone who is trying to do genuine work, and supporting anyone who is here. You know, we don't have like good life and pushy life here, but when you see things like this, you see like, hey guys, I really want to be like, you know. But anyway, guys, kindly support everyone that is doing genuine work, and may God bless you abundantly, and peace and love. Let peace and love run upon this village. Yeah, until our next video tomorrow, of course, documentary, I will be going there, and I will be showing you my brothers, my cousin, my big cousin, that is the biggest cousin that we have in our family. I will be showing him, I will be showing you everything about him, and of course he has said that he will be sharing with us everything about him, from the US, Nairobi, and then to the village. But anyway, guys, I really love you. Peace and love, positive vibes. Until our next video, I love you.